I like everybody, all right? All right, so in this one, oh, my wife knows I like everyone. Which wife? Nah, she knows.
Didn't someone say to you the other day, does your girlfriend, I mean wife, and you're like, my girlfriend does, but my wife doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah, wifey doesn't mind, but the girlfriend really doesn't like it. All right. All right, so a sample of professional basketball players gives the mean height as 192 with a standard deviation of 12. Dita is 183 centimeters tall. Calculate Dita's height as a Z-score. So first thing we've got to do is what? Write down the formula. So Z equals X minus mean of X over S. You should be able to do that very quickly. If not, it will be in your formula sheet. Me. But we're doing this. So what do we do now? Write down what we know. Do we know what X is? We know X is 183. I could stand here and dance, but I don't want to embarrass you guys because I'm awesome. Huh? No, it wouldn't embarrass me. I've got awesome moves. I got the moves like Jagger. You know Miss Wall's kid, Jagger? I got moves like Jagger. You met baby Jagger, haven't you? Random population coming in. All right, let's go. X is 183. Do we know what our mean is? Do we know what the mean is? 192, thank you. And do we know what our S is? 12, awesome. Now what do? Substitute in, you're starting to get the hang of this. 183 minus 192 over 12, chuck it into the calculator. Come on the calculator. I've run out of space. What did we get? Minus 0.75 is our Z-score. Awesome. So what does that negative value tell us? Below the mean, which means his height is below average. Isn't that correct, Shirley? How much below average is he? 0.75, well read. Okay. He is less than one standard deviation below. Sorry? The Z-score tells us how many standard deviations he is above or below. It's a negative, so we know he's below, and it's less than one standard deviation. Cool? He's 0.75 of a standard deviation below. Cool? So 3/4 of a standard deviation. Everyone happy with that? Okay, now very, very quickly. Care must be taken to use the appropriate value for the standard deviation. If examining a population, you use the population standard deviation. Talked about this. If you're only using a sample, then you've got to use the sample standard deviation. Now, it says, remember your graphics calculators, blah, 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 blah. You don't have one, don't worry.